DJ B here once again. Today we have a REV5. This REV5, according to the owner, it has no power, would not turn on. So we're gonna go ahead and put power in here just to see what happens. First thing I see is my charger is dimming on and off. Turning it on, nothing at all. So another quick test I want to do is with my meter, just to see if we're getting any voltage at all. Wow, look at that. Nothing at all. So yeah, the board that controls the power is totally fried. So yeah, let's begin by taking it apart. Okay, we pulled the cover off, just minor inspection. This side of the unit looks fine, but we know the issue is around the power area, so around here. So we're gonna have to take all this out and inspect the power area. Okay, we're taking the brain out and put the rest away. We're also going to inspect all those boards because something could be wrong with them. Usually when liquid spills, it comes from the top. So we definitely want to inspect all of that. But for now, we're going to take this apart. And our main focus is right in this area to start. So we're going to pull out these screws right here and see what we see. Okay, so we pulled this out and we exposed our board. Right there you can see there's a fuse. First thing we're going to do is test that fuse. So right now we're gonna test this fuse for continuity, see if it's blown. Wow, fuse is good. You hear that? That means the fuse is good. We're gonna remove this board and inspect that power button. Since the fuse is good, this board may be our issue. So let's pull it out. So after inspecting the charging port or the AC port, this USB-C is totally destroyed. Inside of it, it's totally destroyed. So yeah, we need to replace this port. We got to desolder this and find a port that's equal. I hope I have that in stock. Otherwise, I have to order just this port. But yeah, our port is bad. That's the problem right now. Okay, first step, remove these 4 soldering points. That's gonna drop this baby out. Yep, and there goes our USB. So we're gonna go to Amazon right now and try to get a kit. I don't have any in stock. I like to get a whole bunch, so we're gonna order that right there. But yeah, it seems to be a standard USB. I gotta count the ports or the pins back there and make sure I get the exact same pins. Okay, now I'm gonna try to remove that port. First thing I'm going to do is put a lot of flux all around it. On one side. Let's try the other side. Beautiful. Look how nice that came out. Okay, here goes the cleaning. So that way when we get the new port, it's going to go right in. Just received my kit from Amazon, and now we're going to find what we need. I match my replacement, so it's right here. We're gonna go ahead and try to install this. So applying, look at that, it goes right in like perfectly. Okay, that is all set. Now we're gonna be adding this, which is gonna go right over it, protect it. So just gotta solder the bottom. That's it. Okay, here's the completed product. Now I just gotta clean up the flux and make it look nice. But there goes our port, and we are ready to put this into the machine right after we clean it and test it. Let's put it back together, guys. Everything looking good. So we get this sound card, or why did I call it sound card? I don't know. Let's get this. Actually, it is a sound card. Sound card and power all together. Yeah. So I stand correct. let's apply it right in, and now power. So yeah, we're still having issues. So that means something else is still wrong with this unit. So we're gonna have to check that board again, make sure that the power is running through. But yeah, we got no power. So here's what I'm about to do. I just took apart the broken port because I don't know, for some reason I feel like the new port that I solder is not good. The kit that I got for Amazon. So I'm gonna compare one of the Amazon ports with the original port that got destroyed. I'm gonna compare it pin by pin, side by side. I want to see what the difference are, because I feel like this one is different from the Amazon one. So we're gonna go through that test right now. Okay, side by side comparison. Yeah, I'm afraid they are the same. Shoot. Yep. They're identical. Yep. No difference. Identical. So here's the dilemma with the REV5 and the power board, which also has audio. I swapped this USB, still was not able to get this board to work. So something else is wrong here. I did a bunch of testing. I couldn't figure it out. I ended up just ordering a new one. So I already connected the new one. I got it back together. So this is it. You know what I mean? I gave up trying to fix it, but I'm gonna keep it for parts. But yeah, that's it. Okay, we put everything back together. Now we're gonna go for that power test, and let's see. Power's on. Hit the power button. REV5 is back to normal. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it loads up and gets detected by the computer. It says 1 minute. Good. It's good. Here we go. Very loud, very loud. That's it, guys. So this unit's all set. I'm not gonna go ahead and do a full test, but it's back to normal. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.